Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh and you are watching Career Flex. So in this video I am going to talk about the situation of India today, that is because of COVID-19. We are dealing with a very emergency crisis in our country, and the people who are going outside for their study, that is COVID-19 second wave versus study in USA. So both are very interlinked to each other, because if the situation of this country in future will be very good, then the US embassy or any other embassy in the country start giving visas to our Indians. Because in the last few months the situation is decreasing drastically. The COVID-19 cases has been very disastrous for our country. Because of that, the visas office are closed, and many of the consulates are not working daily. We are seeing very low visas issues and very low number of the visa appointments. Regardless of these all the things, it is very hard to that we Indians are, or the Chinese people and the South Korean people, all these have a huge number of student base in USA, and they are contributing huge amount of benefit to the US economy. Approximately $8 billion every year is contributed by Indian students who are living in USA in the terms of tuition fees, medical expenses, or all other expenses, right? So the US embassies have the knowledge that if we are not issuing the visas to F1 visa, student visa or study visa, then this will be indirectly affect the US economy, right? So in the few years there is a little drop in the people of the Indian people who are going study in USA because of the outbreak in USA also. But now the situation is good and people are going USA, but the situation in India is drastically going very we are facing a very national emergency situation. But the F1 visas will not face any hurdle. Why? I told you, because we are contributing to huge economy. It is said by the United States Embassy and Consulate General in India that the visas to the student planning to study in USA on the priority. Yeah, that you are on the top priority of by the consulates. So if you are planning to study in the USA, then you are in a first position to get a visa, right? And the next thing, that student who are planning to pursue their program in 2021 September intake and the spring intake, and in 2022 we encourage them to apply for their visas. Yeah, right? And we'll give the visas, but the consulates are not taking the so much of visa application because of this lockdown and pandemic. But if the situation will drastically improve, then the priority will be given to F1 visa or student visa. So I encourage all of the people who want to study in USA, prepare your all the document, give GRE, give TOEFL, apply to the universities you are planning to apply, take right courses. I have prepared a whole video on this. You can go my YouTube channel and see all the videos on the study in USA. So, and prepare all the document, take I-20 form, take loan from your bank, take all the documents. Just be ready when the consulate will be open and when the embassy will be start accepting your visas. Just apply, because the number of the people will apply will drastically increase at a sudden, because there are a lot of waiting queue in the visa also. If you didn't get any visa by chance, if the slot is not booking, then try to take emergency visa, okay? And in this way you can get a visa. Also, as we know that because of the US and because of the second wave because of the COVID situation in USA, the many consulates in the all the country is also closed, and they are start taking visas now, right? I want to share one of the data that I find very interesting. Prior to 2021, in 2020 and in the beginning of the 2020, the visas are issued by the consulates are gradually dropping because of the coronavirus, and nobody was planning have a plan about this to fight this pandemic. But the data has shown shared by the consulate in October 2020, the F1 visa, approximately 2300 people had get that visa, and this number gradually doubled or more than doubled. Approximately 5000 people in November 2020 get a visa, and this number further increases in the January till January. Approximately 16 to 70,000 people getting visa every month. But because of this second wave hidden, only in February only 700 or 800 people get F1 visa for their study in USA. So this tell us why it is important to like be prepared for the visas. If you get a chance for a visa slot, then book it. Try to email the consulate or try to email all your official email IDs so that you can get a confirmation when the consulate will open or when all the process will happen. So don't panic if your visas get delayed or anything. You can try to take a online class, right? This is a suitable thing, and try to take visas if the consulate will open, or by chance if the consulate is open and you are not getting any seat, try to take emergency visa. These are the 3 choices you can do. And yeah, if you are planning to go for a spring or fall intake, be prepared with all the documents, and it is very important to ready all your work, and the visas will be open. You will book your visa, and after that you will book your flight and you will go to USA, I'm sure, right? So this is all for this video, and if you have any doubt about visas, please do comment on the comment section, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and share with your friends. Bye bye.